Praise the Lord, everyone. Hope you are all in good health. Today I'm going to be singing my favorite Kannada song, Kai Bidanu. As it says in 2 Timothy chapter 1 verse 7, "For the Lord has not given us a spirit of fear, but of love, power, and self-discipline." So this song is basically based on that verse, and I'm going to be singing it today. Yay! As it says in Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10, "Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and I will help you and I will uphold you with my righteous right hand." So God has a promise for us and He will never leave us. As it says, "Vagdana Madi Datanu." He is our promising God, and whatever promises He has made to us, which we have prayed to Him, He will accomplish it, and He will never leave you alone. So thanks for watching my video, and I hope this song touched your heart as it touched mine. And please like it and share to all your family and friends so that their lives and their hearts can be touched by God. Let's be a blessing in everyone's life. Thank you, and God bless you.